Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2023 Premier 250 Sunsation. This is a 25-foot tri-tune, and starting up here at the bow, we have our stainless steel components, our flip-up cleats, and then our docking lights. Has a silver railing here with a graphite finish that looks great together. And as we walk down the side of the boat, we have our bimini top up there as well. And then here at the stern, spacious swim platform. We do have the safety railing. We'll go over that in more detail when we hop up on board. This is powered by a Mercury 250, and then this does have the PTX 30, so you're gonna get extra fuel. It's about 47 extra gallons. And then over here, we do have our stainless steel ladder to get in and out of the boat with some nice grab handles. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside this beautiful 250 Sunsation. We're gonna start here at the stern and then make our way into the boat. Right off the bat, we do have our ski tow bar up here, so it's great for all your water sports. I do have our safety railing clipped in place so that you can actually legally have passengers ride back here underway. And then taking a look at this rear-facing lounger, many different positions you can move these cushions. And then one is you can turn this into a complete sun pad, and then the other side folds down as well. We have spots for storage for phones and cup holders on either side. And this is the cream upholstery, which really ties into the exterior and then the woven vinyl flooring. A lot of room up here in the cockpit with our captain and co-captain seating. Both chairs do swivel and adjust. They have the high back to them as well, so they're super comfortable. And then here at the helm, we have a raised helm with our Clarion audio, our 2 standard tacks, and our Lowrance fish finder. More storage on this boat underneath all the seats here. And then one of my favorite features is this in-floor storage, maximizing the space in that third pontoon. And then we did option this boat with a bow filler cushion. So this turns into a complete U shape up here. And this boat has tons of room on here. It's rated for 16 passengers, so a lot of space for your friends and family. It's located here in Rogers. Feel free to stop on by, make an appointment, or give us a call. Summer is right around the corner, so we look forward to seeing each and every one of you. Thanks.